Hey YouTube. So, remember in the last video I said I owned the car for 3 weeks? Well, something bad happened this morning on the way to work, and I don't know how to describe it. Sounds like a rod knock or something, or spun bearing. Not sure. But all I know is I'm not too fond of this EJ20 that's in this car. Just because the compression ratio is like 9.5 to 1. So, I'm going to start it up here and we're going to see how it sounds like. Okay, car's off. I'm going to start it up. Definitely a rod knock. Look how much that's shaking that motor. It's not my camera shaking. That's the motor shaking. So I guess that's it. That's the end of the EJ20X. That lasted a whole, I don't know, month while it was in the car. So we're gonna pull it out in a future video here and see what the bottom end looks like. But judging by that noise, this motor's not gonna see the light of day anymore. It's definitely a rod knock or a spun bearing on it. So we'll see what happens in the next video where I tear the motor out of this car. Alright, if you want to see what the updates on this, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and we'll see you soon.